do I say the words? If I work with people, I often say it for them, yes and no. That we have the concept of yes and no in mind. Because yes and no has a lot to do with this left-right thing. After a while, or the aim would be that you do not speak it, and you even stop thinking it. And rather, the body starts to do it in a way that you experience this quality in yourself, that the body starts to think for you. Eurythmy is about learning to think with the body. So, short answer, don't speak it. You can use it at the beginning to experiment and then let go and try how can it come about from within.